In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hero skins in Clash of Clans. This guide will walk you through the steps to unlock and purchase different skins for your heroes, enhancing your gameplay experience and adding a personalized touch to your characters. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to make sure you have your device ready with the Clash of Clans app installed. Once you're all set, go ahead and open your Clash of Clans app. If you're a regular player, this step will feel familiar. Simply tap on the app icon and it will launch the game. Next, you'll need to log in using your Supercell ID. This option is typically available on the game's login screen. By choosing this option, you'll ensure that all your progress is saved and you have access to all features, including hero skins. Simply click on Log in with Supercell ID and follow the prompts. You may need to enter your credentials, so keep them handy. Once logged in, select your account. This step should be straightforward if you have multiple accounts linked to your Supercell ID. Choose the account you wish to play with and you'll be directed to the Clash of Clans home screen. Your village should load automatically, putting you right at the heart of the game. Now that you're at the home screen, it's time to access the Hero Hall. This is a crucial step as it's where all the magic happens with customizing your heroes. Look around your village and locate the Hero Hall. It's the building that houses your collection of heroes. Click on the Hero Hall to move forward. Once inside, focus on the Barbarian King altar. The Barbarian King is one of the primary heroes you can customize in Clash of Clans. By tapping on the Barbarian King altar, you'll see new options related to your hero. Now it's time to choose a new look for your hero. Click on the Skin button. The Skins menu showcases various looks you've unlocked or can purchase for the Barbarian King. Each skin offers a fresh appearance and sometimes even comes with unique animations and effects. To change your hero's appearance, tap on the Select button beside your preferred skin. This action will apply the chosen skin to your Barbarian King, allowing you immediately to see him in his new and exciting form. And there you have it, a brand new look for your hero. Changing and purchasing skins is a simple yet effective way to personalize your game experience, and it keeps things fresh and exciting. Remember, skins can be unlocked through seasonal events, the shop, or special offers, so keep an eye out for these opportunities. Thank you for joining me in this guide on changing hero skins in Clash of Clans. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Have fun customizing your heroes, and happy raiding!